Okay, this is what my Halloween 2-tier tray ended up looking like. I had to turn skeleton's lights off because they're really bright. So I'm just gonna tell you what I did. So up top, I have some of these little miniature lights in it, so you can see it in the dark. I have some of these little sprays. I mean, these little balls on it that I got from the Dollar Tree. I covered the whole. Actually, I used a candle in there so he can sit up high, and I covered it with the spider black mesh. I added pumpkin in it, and you can see right here where the packs are, but it's in the back. So the packs for both tiers are in the back. So I have a black and purple rose in it, and then I put a spider there. So on the next tier, as you can see, the lights are up under it, so I tape the lights under it. But on the second tier is the mesh that I covered up, because like I said, when I bought this it was white, and I don't want to change the color because I'm going to use it for all the holidays. So I just put some purple ribbon around it. And then in here, I have one of the purple pumpkins. Excuse me. Purple pumpkins and the purple flower. And these are the eyeballs that I got from Michael's. And my jar leaks for some reason. Not sure why this jar leaks, but I put it looks yucky, but I put some hot glue around it so it won't leak as bad. But I put the eyeballs in it. It was going around, and I put some, what did I put in there? Alcohol ink, and it made the eyeballs look really icky. But I gotta figure out why this jar is leaking, because it's leaking in here too. So I gotta figure out why my jar is leaking. But then I made these jars so they were clear. See, it's wet. They were clear, and I just painted them and added some stickers on it. And then this one, I put some alcohol ink in it and just added a spider to it. And then this is another one that I just painted and added a sticker from my mom's Halloween stack. And I glued these little skeletons on, and then that was some of the flowers from the spray, from the black and purple flowers. So I just put those in there, and then I put the black owl in it, and this is how it turned out. I gotta figure out why this thing is leaking before I put it back in. I'll sit it back in there from there. But that is my Halloween 2-tier decorations. Thanks for watching, y'all.